All sorts of stuff.
Toes.
And he's gonna be fighting on this next cartoon. You'll be able to see him.
Toes.
Speaking of Carter, K1.
What? Where's your belly? Let me see. Where's your belly? Juice, where's your juice?
Zoe, can you tell mommy what's a cow say? What's a cow say?
Doggy.
A doggy?
What's a doggy
oh, you
say?
have your doggy. And what's a
What's a cow say? What's a cow say? Moo. Good job.
what's a duck say? Quack.
Let me see. Ready?
You know Danny? Danny? He just took a picture with
Ready?
Cain Velasquez.
Oh,
There were a bunch of people in there. They opened the
What's his name? Kung Lee.
So, are you ready?
Oh, that's what they were talking about. Kung Lee against oh my God, who is it? Kung Lee's a light heavyweight, right?
Be careful.
Who's the UFC light heavyweight champion?
Ow.
What? Oh, that's it. Kung Lee and Anderson Silva. That's what they mentioned too.
And that's how you get pink eye.
No.
Kung Lee's like a power fighter.
Oh, what's that?
Ear?
Ear?
Of course.
Ow.
Zoe, where's your auntie's giddy goose? Kitty, 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 goo.
Eye. Nose.
Mouth eater. Mouth. Oh, share.
Can I have a kiss? No. Hey. Don't you do it. Don't you give my kisses away. Zoe, can I have a kiss? Zoe, what's an Indian do?
Zoe, what's an Indian do? What's an Indian do? You do it.
What's a fish do?
Zoe, look at mommy. Let me see your mean face.
Oh, the card's gonna be ridiculous.
Show mommy your mean face. Okay, now can you show me your happy face?
Yeah.
I follow those guys a lot, and then
Show mommy your happy face. And what about your silly face?
I mean, Nick Diaz, dude, he's good, dude. I just want to see how good he really is. You know what I mean?
Let me see your sad face.
And what about your sad face?
But I honestly think Nick Diaz can help us against anybody.
Well, he's fighting the same dojo as
That's like
Jake Shields.
a half between a happy and sad face.
Zoe, where's your sad face? Zoe, where's your sad face?
Barely, he's been in UFC for what, like the last fight? That's it.
Oh, we like this face.
Ow! Okay, ready? You ready? Doggy. What's the doggy say? Ooh, ooh, good job. What's the cow say?
What's a cow say? Zoe, what's a cow say? Thank you. What's a cow say?
Mine.
Oh.
Be nice.
I'm a mate. Zoe, did you eat paint chips as a kid?
Do you live under power lines?
Okay, Zoe, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.